Hello guys and welcome! So, meron ako ditong chicken breast. Luto tayo ng isang classic dish. Ito, favorite ko to. Cordon Bleu! Let's go! Yahoo! Welcome guys to my channel. This is Doc Vinci and the doctor is in the house. Welcome to another Kusina session. So let's start by breaking down this chicken breast. So may dalawang parts to, the main chicken breast and this chicken tenders. So we don't need the chicken tenders for this one. You can actually use this for another dish. You can make fried chicken tenders with this. All we need is the breast. So this is the part that we are gonna make our incision. So if you lay the chicken at this side, just cut along the thickest segment here, like so. Alright, there you go. Just butterfly the meat. So there you go, a beautiful slice of meat. Okay, so this part is the most fun part in this process. Um, Take note that it's better to use a rolling pin since it's heavier and more dense. It will help you pound the chicken faster. And please do be careful when you're using this glass or anything like a wine bottle since it may crack or break at any point. So, yan. It's already nice and thin, but you can even go thinner if you want to. So, the filling is just basic ham and cheese. So, ham and cheese has enough flavor to season the meat from the inside. Doesn't matter if the ham falls apart, just lay them flat as you can. And that goes also for the cheese. Just lay everything flat, okay? So the less space between the two chicken breasts will be ideal for faster cooking, even cooking, and it will lock in and preserve all the juices, especially when the cheese starts to melt. Throughout the years, I've seen and I've tried different ways in preparing cordon bleu. Some ways involve rolling the breast, some ways you use a toothpick, but I've found that this kind of technique is the most efficient because I'm able to make use of pieces of chicken breasts, so I don't have to have a perfect big flat chicken breast. Pieces like this would do as long as you just overlap the holes. And by following this process, it's a sure guarantee that's gonna be perfect. So the key step here is to wrap the chicken breast tightly so that we are able to seal all the moisture, the cheese, and all those juices, those flavors inside the chicken breast as it cooks.
Hours later.
At this point, the meat should be quite solid, but a bit soft to touch. So the freezing process allows us to coat the meat evenly with the flour, with the eggs, and the breadcrumbs. At the same time, it's also going to allow us to cook the meat thoroughly and evenly. Now we're almost done. At this point, you gotta make sure that you have your oil nice and ready because the longer that the meat stays out of the freezer, the more moisture is gonna seep out, and you're gonna end up having a soggy piece of breast that will fall apart once you start cooking. So this process should be quick.
Very boring minutes later.
Ooh, simply gorgeous. Crunchy on the outside, nice and juicy on the inside. It's cooked through and through. Yeah. So hot. How is it?
Fishy. Yummy.
So hope you can give this a try. So good luck. Kusina session tayo ulit.
Yum, Dad. Yummy. Thank you, Dad. Tastes
This is
great.
Doc Vinci and the doctor is out.